Hello traders, welcome back to the episode 4 of 5k to 6 figures funders challenge, where I'm documenting my real journey from a small 5k prop firm challenge to scaling up to 6 figures in funding by using potential payouts and discipline along the way. This week was a roller coaster. I passed phase 1 on Monday with a big win, but then phase 2 quickly humbled me, and we will see it in a minute. So for now on the screen you can see this is the dashboard for my phase 1. The $400 target was hit and it is now disabled as I have moved on to phase 2. Now let's break down the trades from the screen recording. This was my first trade of the week. After my entry, the price once ran into about 3R profit, but I didn't secure as I was aiming for a bigger target, and soon after the price pulled back and stopped me out at break even. For the second trade of the day, I took advantage of the momentum and locked in a huge move, closing out plus 6% in a single day and officially passing phase 1. Phase 2 was started on Tuesday, which is the following day after I passing phase 1. And on Tuesday I have taken only one trade. I patiently waited price to come back into my area of interest before taking the trade. Unfortunately, it was a losing trade, so phase 2 started with a loss. So moving on to Wednesday, which was the day that my emotions started to kick in, and I wasn't ready to accept the fact that I was entering a losing streak. So after taking 2 losses, I decided to take one more trade. I've broken my rule and I got punished straight away by the market with a total of 3 losing trades on the day. The last trade was not recorded as it was taken purely based on emotion. So mistakes were made and I have learned my lesson. I have taken 3 trades on Thursday as well. For this first trade, after my entry price once came close to my 2R profit target, I didn't secure any profit as I was targeting a lower price. Eventually the price came back and stopped me out at a small loss. The following 2 trades of the day hit my stop losses, so I have ended the day with a small loss and 2 full losses. The total losing streak has achieved 7 trades as of Thursday. Coming into Friday, which was yesterday, I finally got a small win to stop the bleeding and give me a little breathing room heading into next week. So this was my first trade of Friday. I started risking 0.5% per trade just to avoid getting into a deeper drawdown, and this trade was peaked at 4R profit, but I was again greedy and targeting a higher price, so ended up the price came back and stopped me out at my trial stop loss about 1.6R profit. The last trade of the week, price once floated into 2R profit, but due to greed I was targeting a higher price, attempting to recover my drawdown faster. So I ended up didn't secure any profit, and price came back, stopped me out at break even. So a quick recap for my trading week. I have passed my phase 1 on Monday with a 6% profit, starting phase 2 on Tuesday with 7 consecutive losing trades, and finally on Friday I got a small winning day. So currently my phase 2 is sitting at negative 5% drawdown, as you can see on this trading account dashboard. The equity curve wasn't that nice as compared to my phase 1. This week was a huge reminder for me that every phase is a fresh challenge, and I shouldn't carry my ego from one win into the next battle. The goal now is to reset mentally, stop the drawdown from going deeper, and find my groove again next week. There is still plenty of room to work with before hitting my max loss, so it is all part of the journey, I think. The ups and downs, everything in between. So I'm not here for perfection, I'm here for my trading progress. If you are enjoying this series and wanted to see how my phase 2 plays out, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. And I wish you good trading. See you in the next one.